Meaning of gun control.
Gun control.
Gun control.
Gun control.
Gun control. Gun control refers to the measures taken by governments or other authorities to regulate the production, sale, possession, and use of firearms. These measures can include background checks, waiting periods, restrictions on certain types of guns and ammunition, and licensing requirements. The ultimate goal of gun control is to reduce gun violence and protect public safety. Supporters argue that stricter gun control laws can decrease the number of deaths and injuries caused by firearms, while opponents argue that such laws violate the Second Amendment of the U.S. Constitution and infringe on individual rights.